Whoa, so top of the morning to you. We are doing a small project today in Lithia. It is the end of April, and just so you know, my videos typically take a couple of weeks to come out. I know that new video just came out last night of the new property. Gonna get you guys another update here soon, and this is just like a small 2-day project for you. I didn't think it was gonna be too exciting, but I wanna show you that we do smaller projects also. We do, like this project, I did a consultation for the client. We didn't do design. He said, Pete, I have a budget. I wanna get these plants in the ground. I wanna get these beds topped off. Can you get over here and make that happen? And those are the kind of projects that we can make happen really quick. If you tell me what you want, we don't need to go through the design process. You know, this is your budget. We get right on top of it. So I cannot wait to get over to the other side of the fence, because this property is probably one of the coolest properties I've seen. There's a bunch of these old little, there's an old church, there's an old general store, a bunch of little cracker shacks, I guess you'd kind of call them. Really cool, all built out of knotty cypress. Let's see what the guys have growing on here, what they've been installing. We've got the tractor out today. Most of the plants came yesterday. And the boys are over here working in the back, and we'll get Ryan or one of the guys to kind of give us a lowdown. Oh, I see a big rainbow eucalyptus. The old Kubota wrench just came on this thing. Hopefully it just needs maintenance. Probably coming up on that time. Seeing an avocado, which kind of looks like it was a seedling. That's not our avocado, was it, Ethan?
No, that's the client's avocado.
That's the client's avocado. Is this the rainbow? Eucalyptus?
There it is, looking beautiful.
Oh, we got some tomatoes. What are you working on over here?
Getting this mulch looking pretty.
Hey, that avocado's buried a little deep here, man.
Yeah, we're gonna come around and
You're
fix
gonna
it.
be
You
checking
know.
some plants? Okay,
No,
okay.
you know.
What are we working with here? What is this?
Ooh, some pigeon pea?
Pigeon pea? Okay. Okay. You know what time it is? Oh,
Big pea.
we got a Montingia, another avocado. What is that? Plum?
Yep.
Plum, actually sunflower there in the back. Got lots of mulch. Oh. Oh. Kyle, what's growing on over here, man?
Come on, baby.
You got a little sunspot right here, huh?
We're putting down fertility right now.
Fertility.
Yeah, it's all about fertility.
It's all about the fertility.
Yeah, you don't want to walk in anywhere where it's infertile. Who wants to be in an infertile world? Come
Oh,
on.
this is true. This is true. Tell me what's growing on over here, man. What'd you plant?
Ah, man, what we got? We got papaya right here. We got a couple mangoes back there. We've got some purple yams back there. What else we have? We've got some plums. We've got sapodilla. We have some fire bushes, some native fire bushes over here. What else we got? Yeah, that's about it right here. And on this side, what we have?
Got more over here.
Yeah, but it's always more. We got a pawpaw. We got some Okinawa spinach, some longevity spinach.
Oh, whoa, what's that little guy right there?
Which one? This one, little one right here?
Oh, yeah.
This one right here?
Oh,
Oh yeah, that's called Okinawa spinach right there.
Okinawan spinach.
So you got a nice little red, purple on the underleaf, and on the top of the leaf you got a nice green.
Okay.
They get nice and big, delicious, great for salads and sauteing. Yeah, he's gonna have a lot of food.
What's going on right here?
No, I'm gonna be honest. I don't even know what
Oh,
this is.
you ain't learned this one yet.
Starfruit. Carambola.
That's that Georgia boy over here. You're still learning, huh?
New York.
But you come from Georgia, didn't you?
I was in Georgia.
I was in Georgia.
Yeah, I mean, I stayed for a little bit, but
Don't tell anybody you're from New York. now.
native New York. Wait, where are you from?
Whoa, wait,
Huh,
wait.
Pete?
That's
Huh?
where I was born. I'm from Florida, okay? all right. We got some water around here. Where's Mr. Ryan hiding out?
He's somewhere over there.
He's over there?
Yeah,
Let's go
somewhere.
find Ryan. Let's see what are the stakes for? Is that just showing the edge of the path?
Yeah, so he's gonna have a road going down the middle.
Little road going
So
down the
you'll be
middle?
able to drive through with like a golf cart or a car, kind of like a little National Geographic style.
Okay.
And on the left side you'll have food forest, right side you'll have food forest, and then the road will loop all the way around.
You guys didn't cut any grass out here.
No.
Site prep was done when you got here?
All done.
All ready to go?
All ready to go.
You guys just hit the
The
ground
fertility started, we just added to it, that's it.
running. Okay, that's what
Yeah.
I'd like to hear,
We
man.
even had a couple citrus trees out here.
Dude, keep pounding dirt, bro.
Yeah, let's do it.
I like it. What's this? Is this some of that good stuff?
That is it, some
Some of the organic
fertilizer.
goodness? Okay.
Yeah. A little azomite on there earlier.
Ooh.
Compost.
He's got some of that rock dust. Watch out.
Yes, sir.
This is cool. What do we got here? Looks like another client tree, potentially a citrus. All right, so I see a jackfruit, I see a firebush, I see a pear, I see a pomegranate. Looks like we got another citrus. Whoa, whoa, whoa!
What's going on?
There he is. Whoa, he's in the bush.
Yeah, putting down a nice layer, smother out some of this grass.
That pear is
beetles.
huge, man.
That's a solid pear.
That's a stud pear.
Got
Pretty
some big
impressive.
stuff out here.
Cool. Where's the bamboo? Didn't we plant some bamboo here?
Yep.
Oh, it's starting right over there. Nice. Oh, sweet almond?
Sweet almond.
Some more Mexican sunflower, another jackfruit. Where'd all these citrus come from?
They were his.
He had citrus?
Yeah, up front. We moved them under.
Okay.
They weren't looking too happy.
Hopefully they get happier over here, huh? Some cover crop and love. All right, so here's that back property line. What kind of bamboo we got?
What do we do?
Starts with an A.
Oh yeah, the Alphonse car.
Alfonso Carr. This is a yellow cane with the green stripe. Kind of about a 20-25 foot clumper. And we're just building a buffer here, basically like a living fence. This is the property line. The idea being this big house just went in. And eventually once this food forest establishes, you won't really have to see this over here. Also see some fruit trees and pots out there. So they got some stuff growing on too. This grass you see here is kind of an invasive grass. This is the Kogan Grass. It can be a little bit tough to get rid of. And when I first pulled up to the site, you know, I've got an eye for this stuff. I've been doing landscaping for a long time. I was like, ooh, looks like they used some herbicide over here. Like, you know, you guys might not want to be touching the grass. We will not work on a site that was just sprayed in herbicide. Typically, if I see something like that, I'm like, sorry, we're not going to touch it. You have to prep the ground. You got to get the dead weeds out of there. Actually got to talking with one of Danny's friends here when I pulled up, and the guy is like a consultant specialist in citrus, and they used a really high-grade vinegar. I believe it was a special name to the product. I don't know what it is, but I am going to email him and try to get it and try it, because seeing how well it worked on some of the grasses and weeds here is pretty impressive. I mean, all the Caesar weed is actually fried out too, and you can kind of see that brown patch I'm talking about. And the guy has a 5-acre trial around the corner with cover crops, and he's basically brought dying citrus back to life. I've heard about this guy before. I'm going to get over there and make you a video. So when I make that other video, I'll talk about that organic spray that they used, talk about what else they're using to bring the citrus back, because it was really, really interesting. But it looks like the bamboo's kind of stopping here. Looks like we got a little elderberry kind of marking the property line over there. And the guy's got everything topped off with biochar, compost, azomite, and organic fertilizer. Looks like got to get some mulch around these guys still. And that is an old clump of potentially like multiplex. Maybe there was a couple planted there. Not quite a runner, but a huge clump. That variety does tend to get quite big, and probably a reason we don't plant that variety a lot, because it can get so big and just kind of messy on the long term. It was here when they bought the property. Danny, the homeowner who has the really cool Cracker Shack Village here next door, picked up this lot to actually expand his growing. He's got a big annual garden in the front yard. The guys filled those beds with compost, and I say filled, almost filled to the top. We're probably going to come back next week with some more compost and top them off all the way, get them ready for growing season. You know, coming up here in the fall. I think he's going to do some summertime crops. But let's check out that Cracker Village. So, oh, little pond. Maybe I'll just show you guys that real quick. This is a really unique site. Big, beautiful grandfather oak. Check it out. Looks like he's got an air pump in here to kind of clean out this pond a little bit. You got that big, beautiful oak there. I mean, this is pretty cool. Definitely one of the features to the property. A little john boat. I don't know if that was just resetting the pump or they do some fishing here. That is a good question. Oh, if you guys noticed, I forgot my Green Dreams hat today. Shout out to my buddy Mark with Boaters Republic. We did a big job for him in Bradenton, going back to the beginning of June to do another phase on that job. Really cool job. It was the one in the understory on the water, and he hooked me up with the hat. They have some cool stores in St. Pete, Sarasota, maybe even Tampa. He's got a couple different locations. I need to get in there and get some merch, because he's got some really cool gear, and I do like the brand. But here are these little Cracker Shacks I was telling you about. This is the old church. That's the old general store. And let's get over here and check these out. I really love the old signs on the building. And the annual garden is right up here in the zone 1 when you walk out that front door. Client's got some really big garden beds. I think there's like, what is there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10, counting this big monster one going around the outside with the asparagus. So big old zone 1 veggie garden growing on. Here's that asparagus, and everything else, like I said, was just topped off, but we're about 6-8 inches shy. Probably need another 5 or 6 yards to top off these beds. Kind of underestimated what we need. We brought 10 yards of biochar compost in for planting in the beds, and could have probably used closer to 15, 16 here. So really, really cool site. But check out this old building. This is the old general store for the area right here in Lithia Pinecrest. A lot of the old signs were here when they got it. This is really cool. Got a little neat water feature here. Oh, let's check this out. What? Dude. All right, I dig. So I don't have time to give you the inside tour of all these. When I came for the original consultation, Danny was nice enough to show me in all these old buildings, the old church. It's like an old hardware store over here. The whole property is covered in these cool little buildings. You can see these are made from, there's some pine slabs on the outside. I believe most of them are all knotty cypress though. Here is the Cracker Church of Lithia, so pretty cool. This is Alan's Cracker House. I just love these old, metalworking pieces and old tools that have been kept here on site. I mean, look at the old pans, cast iron pans up on the site. And these go all the way around the backyard to that corner over there. There's even an old smoker on a trailer. And check this out. Pretty cool. This is the old meal house. I believe, when they have friends over, this is where they probably come out and they cook. They got some tables set up underneath here. Pretty awesome. Check this out. Old cash register. We've got an old poker machine. Really, really cool. This is probably one of the neatest sites I've been to. You don't run into this stuff every day. It's like the old sawmill house over there. I see the boards laying out front. What? Very cool. We're closed right now. Whoa. Old sink uses a flower pot. Old wagon wheels. How cool is this? Ooh, old smokehouse. Not sure if this one came with it also, but it's obviously kind of permanent right now, but it looks like it's got old wagon wheels on it, so I'm guessing it came with the house. And that is not a fire pile, but a pile of some cool wood, it looks like. I dig. So, how cool is this? Hope you guys enjoyed this short video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so. Gotta hit that bell to stay notified. YouTube likes to play games. Most importantly, guys, 2022, get out there and pound dirt.